Hi, this is Martin Coleman, and for this week's tip, we're going to talk a little about just some course organization and kind of some basic things you can do to make your course a little easier for students to progress through, whether it's a face-to-face, a remote real-time, a connected classroom, or an online course. And one of the things that I like to do is look at my modules. And in this case, I have my modules set as the main homepage to display. And so I have both my announcements and my modules showing here. But I have a Start Here module, and it doesn't really need to be called a module. It can be called anything. This is just kind of a placeholder. It can be weeks, sections, chapters, whatever you want it to be. But here I have some information that kind of gets the students started and shows them where they need to go and what they need to do. From there on, I have a consistent naming for my modules. In this case, I call them weeks. For me, weeks work the best. And I put a start date and an end date. Students should have accessed that, completed their homework, done their things, and then I continue with that same look for week 2, week 3, week 4, and so on. The other thing that I like to do is make sure I have my overview or my outcomes or what they're going to be expected to learn this week, so they have kind of an idea what they're getting into. And then from there, it's going to vary a little bit, but I'm going to have some things that are consistent every week, whether it's readings, videos, discussion boards, a certain type of homework or assessment they might have that they're going to do every week. And then you're going to have some things that are a little different. Maybe you throw in a video. Maybe you have a project. Maybe you have a guest speaker. Maybe you have some site they're going to go explore and see what else is out there. And that's fine. Mix it up, change it up a little bit. You don't want to be very stagnant. But having some consistency in your layout that's going to be the same every week and the same due dates, the same time, really helps students to stay on track. We need that kind of consistent environment for a student to become a self-directed learner. And whether it's a face-to-face, you're going to have some things you're going to do every time. It's great to have your homework turned in Canvas. It's harder for the dog to eat it or them to lose it if they submit it that way. And then you can also use such great tools as Turnitin, which gives a comparison against other work that's out there. Newspaper articles, journals, books, any library resources. And that kind of gets students into that kind of collegiate academic atmosphere, and they do better in your class. So hopefully these are a couple tips that help you with your organization, your class, and get it working the way you want this semester. Have a great one.